In this video, I will quickly show you how to connect boards on Monday.com to organize information across different projects. First, go to Monday.com and sign into your account. Once you are inside, open the board that you want to connect to another board. Next, click the Add Column button to create a new column. Then select the Connect Boards option, which allows you to link two different boards. After that, choose the board you want to connect and confirm your selection. Monday.com will create a column that lets you link items between both boards. Now you can click inside the column and select which items you want to connect. You can also add the mirror column to display information from the connected board directly in your main board. This makes it easier to track important data without opening multiple boards. Connecting boards helps keep projects organized and improves information management. And that's it. Now you know how to connect boards on Monday.com easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.